Tools for motif discovery. In this section, we will present the programs that are specifically designed to search for motifs in protein sequences that are biologically significant. The search for motifs in a set of unaligned sequences is a complex problem because many factors come into play, such as the precise start and end boundaries of the motif, the size variability, presence of gaps or not, or stronger or weaker motif conservation during evolution. De novo motif discovery programs are generally based on one of the following three algorithms. Enumeration is a method that involves counting all substrings of a certain length, known as words or k-mers, and then seeking overrepresentations. Such exhaustive motif finding approaches are guaranteed to report all instances of motifs in a set of sequences. However, the exponential complexity of such searches means that the problem quickly becomes intractable for large alphabets. Deterministic optimization is based on the expectation maximization algorithm that estimates the likelihood of a motif from existing data in two stages repeated iteratively. The first uses a set of parameters to reconstruct the hidden motif structure. The second uses this structure to re-estimate the parameters. This method allows finding alternate sequences representing the motif and updating the motif model. Probabilistic optimization is an iterative method in which a random subsequence is extracted from each sequence to build an initial model. In each subsequent iteration, the ith sequence is removed and the model is recalculated. Then, a new motif is extracted from the ith sequence. This process is repeated until convergence. Enumeration is a method that involves counting all substrings of a certain length, known as words or k-mers, and then seeking overrepresentations. Such exhaustive motif finding approaches are guaranteed to report all instances of motifs in a set of sequences. However, the exponential complexity of such searches means that the problem quickly becomes intractable for large alphabets. Deterministic optimization is based on the expectation maximization algorithm that estimates the likelihood of a motif from existing data in two stages repeated iteratively. The first uses a set of parameters to reconstruct the hidden motif structure. The second uses this structure to re-estimate the parameters. This method allows finding alternate sequences representing the motif and updating the motif model. Probabilistic optimization is an iterative method in which a random subsequence is extracted from each sequence to build an initial model. In each subsequent iteration, the ith sequence is removed and the model is recalculated. Then, a new motif is extracted from the ith sequence. This process is repeated until convergence. Below, and in Table 2, we present the most used motif discovery programs and discuss their advantages and limitations. Tiresias is based on an enumeration algorithm. It operates in two phases, scanning and convolution. During the scanning phase, elementary motifs with sufficient support are identified. These elementary motifs constitute the building blocks for the convolution phase. They are combined into progressively larger motifs until all the existing maximal motifs are generated. MEME is an example of a deterministic optimization algorithm. It allows discovery of motifs in DNA or protein sequences based on expectation maximization, MEME discovers at least 3 motifs, each of which may be present in some or all of the input sequences. MEME chooses the width and number of occurrences of each motif automatically in order to minimize the e-value of the motif, i.e., the probability of finding a similarly well-conserved pattern in random sequences. With default parameters, only motif widths between 6 and 50 are considered, but the user have the possibility to change this as well as several other parameters, options, of the motif discovery. PRAT is based on probabilistic optimization. It first searches the space of motifs, as constrained by the user, and compiles a list of the most significant sequences that matches at least the user-defined minimum number of sequences. If the user has not switched off the refinement, these motifs will be input to one of the motif refinement algorithms. The most significant motifs resulting from this are then output to a file. QPMS stands for Quorum Planted Motif Search. The program searches for motifs in either DNA or protein sequences. It uses the LD motif search algorithm known as the planted motif search. QPMS takes as input a set of sequences and 2 values, len d. It returns all sequences MOF length L, which appear in at least Q% of the sequences. SlimFinder identifies novel short linear motifs, SLIMS, in a set of sequences. SLE-MS are microdomains that have important functions in many diverse biological pathways. SLIM-mediated functions include post-translational modification, subcellular localization, and ligand binding. SLE-MS are generally less than 10 amino acids long, many of which will be flexible in terms of the conserved amino acid. SLIMFinder constructs such motifs by grouping dimers into longer patterns. Motifs with fixed amino acid positions are identified and then grouped to include amino acid ambiguity and variable length wildcards. Finally, motifs that are overrepresented in a set of unrelated proteins are identified. Delaunay proceeds as follows: in the first step, a user-provided set of protein sequences is filtered to eliminate repetitive sequences as well as the regions least likely to contain linear motifs. In the second step, overrepresented motifs are identified in the non-filtered sequences and ranked according to scores that take into account the background probability of the motif, the number of sequences containing the motif, the size of the sequence set, and the degree to which the motif is conserved in other orthologous proteins. Advantages and limitations of the most used motif discovery programs. MotifHound is suitable for the discovery of small and degenerate linear motifs. The method needs two input datasets, a background set of protein sequences and a subset of this background set that represents the query sequences. MotifHound first enumerates all possible motifs present in the query sequences, and then calculates the frequency of each motif in both the query and the background sets. FIREPRO stands for Finding Informative Regulatory Elements in Proteins. Its main goal is to discover protein motifs that correlate with the biological behavior of the corresponding proteins. FIREPRO calculates a mutual information measure between frequent K-mer motifs and a protein behavior profile containing experimental data about the function of the proteins. Most of these programs need prior knowledge about either the input sequences or the motif structure. Furthermore, they are generally designed to discover frequent motifs that occur in all or most of the sequences. The subfamily-specific motifs, which differentiate a specific subset of sequences, pose a greater challenge due to the statistical nature of these programs or the default choice of parameters used. Nevertheless, these rare motifs are often characteristic of important biological functions or context-specific modifications, including substrate binding sites, protein-protein interactions, or post-translational modification sites. In the final section of this lecture, we will discuss the use of intelligent algorithms that should be more reliable for the discovery of significant rare motifs in addition to the conserved and known ones.